We all love our hobbies, which we often enjoy in nature. However, lately I have been getting very frustrated. More and more people are heading outdoors when the weather is nice, and it is often visible. It is important that we all contribute to protecting our environment. Leaving trash on the beach can have serious consequences for wildlife and ecosystems. For example, animals can accidentally ingest plastic waste, leading to injuries or even death. Additionally, litter mars the natural beauty of nature and affects the experience for other visitors. Please remember to dispose of your trash properly and encourage others to do the same. Together, we can help keep our beaches clean and beautiful.